Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one I'll be explaining to you guys how you can hire stewards for your homestead in Skyrim. So let's get right into it, but before we do, I want to ask you guys to forgive me for using screenshots since this is the best method of recording for me since it saves space on my disk. So bear with me on that. However, I will explain everything fully so no gameplay footage won't detract from it. Anyway, what I wanted to tell you guys about actually getting stewards is first you need to get a homestead, which is a part of the Hearthfire DLC. You should have the DLC already installed if you have anything that's Legendary Edition or above. Only Vanilla Skyrim doesn't have it, but anyway, just make sure it is installed. Once you do, you need to get a homestead. I'm not very familiar about how you do that since I've never done it. However, if you get a homestead, you can then take any of your followers to your homestead, and when you actually take them there, you will have the option of interacting with them, and when you do, you will see most likely an option to hire them as your steward. Now, to actually hire them, I don't know which followers can do this. I'm pretty sure most of them can, not all. I'm not sure as to which those that you cannot hire are. However, just a quick Google search and you should find out on the wiki most likely. But yeah, stewards are useful since you can instruct them to do various things, build special rooms, which only they can build. They can order shipments of items for you, for example, building materials, etc., etc. And those rooms that they build are for free, as far as I'm aware. So yeah, they can do work in general around your homestead, and that is very useful. So yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in another video.